Are you tired of low water pressure and boring showering experiences? Do you want to elevate your bathroom and take your showering to the next level? Look no further than the Speman shower head. With a wide range of options, from flow rate and water pressure to spray patterns and finishes, Speman shower heads can enhance any bathroom and showering experience. And not only does a Speman shower head look great in any bathroom, it is also incredibly easy to install and maintain, making it a great option for homeowners and professional renovators alike. Imagine being able to customize your shower with adjustable flow rates and a variety of spray patterns to match your preferences and your mood. From a relaxing massage setting to a powerful intense spray, with a Speman shower head, the possibilities are endless. Say goodbye to low water pressure and boring showering experiences, and hello to powerful water flow, customizable spray patterns and a luxurious showering experience with a Speman shower head. Upgrade your shower game today with a Speman shower head. Available at your local home improvement store or online retailer like Amazon. To take your shower water quality to the next level, couple your Speman shower head with a water structuring device. You can use either a shower structured water unit or a whole house structured water unit. To learn more about structured water, go to aquapond.site/twe.